Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing, but this one came all the way from Singapore, so I thought I would make the exception for that. This one comes from my buddy Drifter D. I definitely credit Drifter for a lot of the success on my YouTube channel, so I really wanted to give a little shout out to him and show off this unboxing. Been a cool friendship, you know. He's a cool YouTuber, makes me laugh, does some really over the top silly skits. When I first sent a package over to Drifter, I had maybe about 450 to 490 subscribers. Off the back side of that video, and a really nice shout out that he gave me when he opened the box that I sent him, in less than a month's time, I had jumped up from almost 500 subscribers to 1,000. Less than a month after that, I had hit like the 1,500 mark, and that was all a big push that I got off of him, just saying some really nice things about my channel, nice things about me. I can't thank him enough for where my channel is today because of the help from him. You know, it's why I try and give back and give shout outs and put in really cool commercials for some cool channels in my races and stuff, trying to just spread the word on YouTubers like he did for me. This all the way from Singapore. Drifter D is very aware that we don't have Tomicas in the States. Pretty excited to see what's in here. Oh, I'm trying not to look at it. He's got it covered. A Drifter D exclusive, 1 of 1. We'll open that one last. Hot Wheels and a Tomica in the corner there. Ooh, starting off. Great Gatspeed. Oh, look at that. Factory sealed 2016. Drifter D won a contest where he won an entire 2016 factory sealed case. And this looks like it's one of the ones that came out of that. That's cool. I will keep that on card just because of that. Here's another one. Awesome. Baja Bone Shaker. 2016 factory sealed. That's awesome. To win the factory sealed case, he needed to get so many likes on one of his posts for the contest, and he did a little shout out on his channel several times, as well as his YouTube channel, as well as on Instagram, and he just got the whole Drifter gang to like his post, and he won it. Here's another one from the 2016 sealed case as well, factory sealed case, a 73 Pontiac Firebird. And look at what is on the bottom. Woo! Woo! Tomica's galore. I am very excited about this. Where do we start? Mazda Roadster. These are kind of a pain to open on camera, so ones that I decide to open, at the end I'll throw in some pictures, or maybe I'll do some cuts of pictures popping in as I'm showing these off. There's the first one, Mazda Roadster. Very cool. Convertible soft top. I wonder if the soft top is removable or if it's on there even, or how they made that. I'm gonna crack that one open for sure. Next up, we got the Mini John Cooper Works. I don't know anything about this specific vehicle. Interesting. Neat little mini convertible. Mini Cooper convertible. Definitely gonna bust that one open. Next. Gosh, so many good ones in here. The Lexus RCF. Pretty sweet looking. Definitely liking that. Looks clean. Don't beat me up if I say this wrong, but the Lamborghini Centenario, is that right? Pretty cool, all blacked out with just that touch of yellow on the base. Looks like there's a little tiny yellow line following, what is this, the A-pillar there on the windshield. That's clean, I like that. We'll be cracking that one open for sure. You know, our Toys R Us is closed, so majorettes are pretty difficult to find. No interior, but that's okay. The blacked out windshield, you wouldn't see it anyways. This is sweet. Let's crack this one right here, right now. That's awesome. Ford Fiesta WRC. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm liking that. I have a couple of the other rally cars from... as I drop it. That's how we do it in these unboxings. So yeah, I have a couple other of these from Majorette, the rally cars. I really dig them. What else do we have in here? Oh, I'll save that one. We got a couple more in there. We'll do this one first. Whatever that company is, it's a taxi. It's yellow. I believe that's a Toyota Prius. Doesn't have any plastic on the outside or tape. Crack this open, take a closer look at it. Taxi on the light at the top. Comfort Delgro. Who knows? Whatever it is, there it is. Your Toyota Prius. Tomica taxi. Pretty cool. Got that nice clicky suspension. Love it. Got two more in the box here. Oh, tough calls. Which one to do next? There's a little note on this one right here. It says, the wheels for this one are kind of ruined. I hope this will do for now, smiley face, for your Countach collection. Wheel swap maybe? And it is on a Lamborghini Countach LP500S. Lamborghini Countach LP500S. The wheels are ruined. I'm happy to do a wheel swap on a Tomica. I have never drilled out a Tomica just because, you know, we don't have them here in the States. So getting your hands on one, even if it's in bad shape, at least for me, I just hold on to it. It doesn't get messed with. Ruined wheels. Unless he just means they're terrible. In which case, oh, that's clever. That's exactly what he means. He just means that Tomica did a really bad job with the wheels they chose for this. It's got your .5s, but with this horrible gold trim and they're blacked out. Yeah, I don't know. Other than that though, pretty nice nonetheless. Shape of the body is nice. Wing looks good. Details all around look really nice. Clear plastic headlights. Full back detailing. We'll put that big old sticker on it to remind me to do a wheel swap on it. All right, here we go. Second to last, the Subaru WRX STI NBR Challenge. There we go. Got the plastic off. Oh, buddy. There's the spoiler attachment piece, the trunk. Couple little holes in the bottom. Couple little pegs on the trunk. Just kind of squishes down in. Man, look at that. That's phenomenal. Falcon on the tires. Ooh. Yeah, they did a nice job with that. Full tampos all the way around. Killer spoiler. Dude, that's awesome. Awesome piece. Gonna put that on the track somewhere to hang out. Here we go. Got a Drifter D exclusive, one of one, in the Protecto pack. Looks like he's got all the markings covered up. Very curious what we got going on here. Oh, get out of here. (2017) Audi RS6 Avant Drifter D Custom. Killer. Let's get that out of the Protecto pack. What's great is that Drifter is very new to customs too. So getting something off him is just really cool. He doesn't have a lot. He hasn't made a lot. It's not really what he does. So I'm super thrilled to have this in my collection. I love customs from other people. I just love it. Looks like the wheels have a little bit of a bend in them, so they're stanced out. That's killer. Dude, Drifter. Custom, buddy, thank you so much. This is just a really awesome box. I appreciate it. I mean, it was out of the blue, too. You know, he hits me up. He goes, you know, I got your box ready. I'm getting ready to send it out to you. Just like that. Just totally out of the blue. So yeah, if you don't know who Drifter D is, I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description below. He does a lot of haul videos, a lot of comparison videos between companies. He's got a second channel that I'll link as well. A lot of his comparisons and review videos are on his second channel, and he does some of the funniest skits you've ever seen. It's ridiculous. I'm laughing already thinking of some of them. He plays different characters. You got to get over there and check it out. It's a good time. He likes to stir the pot. He's definitely likes to pick controversial topics and poke at them. So don't let him rub you the wrong way if you pick one of those videos first. It's all in good fun. He's good people. Drifter, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I do have a box that I'm working on for you, buddy. It's pretty much full. I just got to get off my rear and get it out to you. It's been sitting for a while. That's it. Appreciate you guys for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's been so long since I've said that. That was awesome. Take it easy, guys.